All right, we've all seen it. It's that annoying pop-up whenever you log into your credit card account or your bank account online. It asks you to update your income information. In fact, even Credit Karma did that to me recently. But while sharing income information is voluntary, it can have benefits such as improving spending power and credit scores for individuals whose wages have recently increased. But it can work the other way as well. So should you update your info or should you just leave it alone? We're going to be taking a look at that question in today's video, so make sure you stick around. I want to say welcome back to those of you that are already subscribers. If not, push that subscribe button. We help you achieve your financial goals here on this channel. So what the heck is up with these pop-ups? I mean, we've been seeing these show up and ask us to update our income with credit card providers and so on. Well, Competiscan is a marketing analysis firm, and they report a 23% rise in the number of emails and letters that are requesting salary updates from their credit card issuers over the past year, and more than 500% increase in the past 3 years. You heard that right, an increase of over 500% in the last 3 years. So why do they suddenly care so much? Why are they doing this? Well, the truth is credit card issuers have limited access to information about customers' income. In fact, you might find this surprising that given their massive knowledge about our spending habits, credit reports from companies like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they provide insights into repayment likelihood, but they lack up-to-date salary data. And while Equifax offers an income verification service to lenders, credit card companies can only utilize the data to raise credit limits, not lower them. Banks have been keen on obtaining updated income information due to economic uncertainty right now. Bank sector turmoil and higher interest rates have all affected this, and they've tightened lending standards recently, and that's resulted in approximately 1/5 of banks reducing credit limits for new or existing customers in the first quarter of 2023 alone. Credit card delinquency rates have also risen to the highest level since 2020. It's a very scary time, and the past year's high job turnover has really made banks concerned about the credit risk when individuals experience income declines. So it's important to note that sharing income information with credit card issuers is completely voluntary. Federal law generally actually prohibits financial institutions from sharing non-public personal information, including income. And lenders must offer customers the option to opt out of sharing their information with third parties. However, regardless of whether individuals respond to update their requests, their credit limits can still be reduced. Card issuers rarely decrease credit limits unless there are reasons for concern or you're simply just not using the account. And that can include carrying higher balances or making minimum monthly payments only, and certainly delinquencies or late payments. Receiving a request to update income can also indicate that the bank wants to increase a customer's credit limit, especially for those with higher credit scores. Banks are required by law to ensure that customers have maintained the means to repay before extending credit. Updating income information, it can be a great and beneficial thing for you because it can actually produce a higher credit limit, which then generally improves your credit scores. Individuals really do need to be cautious though if a higher credit limit might tempt them to overspend. So you got to understand your pattern of spending, but there might be other opportunities and perks too. Qualifying, for instance, for an upgraded car or home equity line of credit. JP Morgan Chase, one of the largest credit card issuers, has even offered additional reward points to borrowers that disclose their income. Income can be broadly defined, of course, allowing consumers to include a spouse's income or investment property income, child support, and so forth. If an income level is lower than what the lender has on file, it's advisable not to respond in order to maintain the current credit limit. Reporting an inaccurate or inflated income is considered fraud, folks, under federal law. So it's very important to remain honest, and it's crucial to provide accurate information to financial institutions. I can't say that enough. At the end of the day, we'd recommend that you disclose your income if it's gone up, as there are worthwhile benefits in doing so. If your income has stayed the same or gone down, I'd probably just skip that little pop-up every time you see it, while using that annoying pop-up as motivation to get out there and bring that income up, right? Just use it as a little reminder for yourself. Now, we do talk often about various ways that you can raise your income. I'll link some of those favorite videos in the description for you below. Make sure you check those out if you're looking to make more money. And that goes for anybody watching, whether your income has gone up, gone down, stayed the same. Check those out and see if there's ways to add more. So what are your thoughts on banks and credit card issuers asking for this type of information about your income? Does it bother you that they ask for this? Are you not too concerned with it? Let us know. Do you feel like it's an invasion of your privacy? It always makes me a little bit uncomfortable. So I do want to hear your comments below. Let us know also if you've seen any perks come in as a result of updating your income to a higher level. I'd love to hear about that too and see which credit card providers are actually rewarding their borrowers for taking that step. Thanks again for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, and if you didn't like the video, dislike it. Leave us some comments below either way, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to go further, faster financially. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, make it a great day and keep on cash flowing. See you soon.